guys, it's just me, Stars, and today I am back with another video with...
Hello.
You might not be able to hear her too much.
Hi.
But, you know. So, we are playing this gymnastic game, and her arms just detached from her body. Wait.
Let me show you what I like to call crazy
Mental crisis. Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah. My front slipped. Oh, no, 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 no.
I'm smashing into the wall.
No.
And I'm okay now.
No.
Wait, I can't stop. No.
No.
You're a bunny rabbit.
No.
Look at me.
No.
Now let me show you. Only I think knows this very simple position. It's called.
I'm flying.
World before. So.
I'm dying too.
Oh, I think I found how to get under the wood.
I'm flying. I'm not even touching my keyboard.
Get on the floor.
I can't.
Come on with me. Come on with me. Boom. Crash. Down.
No.
Inside. And no. Boom. Crash. Make me feel good. Come on to me. Come on to me. Yeah.
You can fly like me if you get near a wall.
Yeah, it's cool. Oh my god, my voice is dying.
Yeah, because we've been playing this game for a while now. And I'm still flying. I'm not even touching my mouse.
I'm just like me, or just like me.
Sorry guys if you don't like coughing.
We carry through. Look at me, I'm dying in the wall. I just scratched into another.
Oh wait, where's my 100-degree traveling in circle thing?
I'm still
Water travels in a cycle, yes it does. It's something we sing in our school, and it's like, water travels in a cycle, yes it does.
It goes up
As evaporation. Wait. I need to show it. I need to be like, it goes up as evaporation. I'm gonna be the evaporation.
Condensation and then travels in
a cycle. Yes
it does.
Wait, we need to sing.
What are you?
I need to breathe
Who are you?
for one moment.
I need to breathe.
I need to breathe.
It's impossible.
Okay. Okay, now it's my
Gymnasium.
Water travels in a cycle, yes it does. Water travels in a cycle, yes it does. It goes up as evaporation, it goes down condensation. It goes down. Go down already. It goes down. Not up. It goes down as okay. Maybe it just doesn't want to.
Oh my god, it just blew me out the door. And I can't stop it. And then it got me back.
Help.
It got me out.
Help.
And it got me out of the plane.
I'm doing cartwheels in the air now.
Look at the door and look at me. Look at the door of the gymnasium. Whee! I'm coming.
I see.
Coming back. I can't stop.
Oh.
I still can't stop.
Look at me. Wait.
Stop.
Where are you?
I can't stop.
My throat. Guys,
we need to show you guys a secret that I just saw.
No, but look at my show. Look, you have to see.
Oh, I'm sorry, I can't. You need a.
Yeah, you can. Look.
See.
Look.
Let me see. What are you doing?
Look.
Okay, I am. One.
I'm a Beyblade. I'm a Beyblade. Watch me spin.
I found something. I found a lounge.
Wait, where?
Do you see me? Do you see me?
Oh, I see you. I'm coming. I'm coming with my Beyblade.
Someone's else in here, but she just followed me. Oh,
No. I didn't mean to press that.
You can't get inside it, though.
Watch me swim. Watch me swim.
You can't get inside. You can see it.
I feel I'm not sick, but I might be getting sick, or maybe it's just that I'm laughing so much.
Yeah. It doesn't let you get in. It's just a glass door to a beautiful lounge, and it doesn't let you get out either.
Wait, you know what? No one will stop me, okay? Maybe they will, because I can't go that way.
Can I glitch?
I'm glitching right now. I'm flying.
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
Watch me on the wall.
Like me.
Yeah, see, hard J's are the best because that's when champions are made. You see this? I'm a champion.
Look into my eyes and I'll show you what that move a dragon.
I'm gonna get copyrighted. Shush. Okay, now, okay.
Let me show you something. Look at me. Spring.
Wait.
Look at me.
I'm walking on air. Ooh.
I'm walking on air. Oh. Sorry for just dying, and this is not funny for you guys. We're just doing this.
Yeah, we're doing this because I just finished my homework and I was like, she was like, why don't we play something? And she found this game and we were like, yeah. I played this game before.
Yeah, same. I played it yesterday and I loved it. And I didn't know you could do this, but now I do.
I'm walking on air. Ooh. I'm walking
look at
on
me.
air.
It's flying. Did you see?
I can't stop.
I was dying.
Let me
Columbus.
go. Let me go. No, it's pushing me away. Okay, so guys, I think it's time to end the video.
I'm gonna end the game.
End game. Okay, so I have to end the video because my time limit has already reached the maximum of recording. So, well, almost. So I have to go, people. I'm sorry. I gotta go. Bye.